Hi, I'm Debi Sementelli. Welcome to my studio. I've been a lettering artist for over 30 years and a font designer for the past 8 years. So whether you're a beginner or more experienced, I have lots of tips and tricks to share with you in my brush lettering class series. Ever watch a video on Instagram of someone lettering a word and wonder, how do they know where to put the flourishes? Well, in this class, I'm going to teach you just that. I'll take you through a step-by-step process, beginning with creating a pencil skeleton outline of the word. And then, as I'm demonstrating, I'll take you through what questions to ask and what to think about when you're considering where to put flourishes. So, if you have some experience with a brush and you'd like to play around with flourishing, I hope you'll join me. If you're a beginner and you've never picked up a brush before, you might consider taking my Basic Strokes class. Either way, I look forward to sharing my love of the brush with you.